This is Camargue, where tradition meets tomorrow. A story that explores the delicate balance between preserving heritage and embracing change. The Camargue landscape are vast and raw, a fragile ecosystem shaped by water, salt, and time. Its beauty feels timeless, yet its vulnerability is unmistakable. Here, every element tells a story of resilience and connection. For this journey, the new FUJIFILM GFX100RF has been the perfect companion. Compact, versatile, and high performance, it offers stunning image quality while remaining fast and lightweight. Whether shooting landscape or portraits, GFX100RF adapts to every situation. With the image ratio dial, it's easy to switch formats and choose the ratio that best captures the essence of the scene, bringing every moment to life, just as it was meant to be. Thanks to the precise and fast autofocus, I didn't miss a shot, even in the most challenging moments. The focus tracking function, with the option to track animals, made it easy to capture fast-moving scenes, like horses running through water or bulls being chased by guardians. GFX100RF doesn't just perform, it inspires creativity and invites you to explore the world through its lens. I tested the image quality and features of GFX100RF in Camargue, a land that holds the echoes of centuries-old traditions. Bull ranchers, salt farmers, and rice growers. These are the people who have lived and worked here for generations. Their lives are inseparable from the land, passing down practices through generations. Yet, even here, change is inevitable. The innovative program of the School du Domaine du Possible, nestled within this fragile landscape, is shaping a vision for the future. Here, students learn to merge the wisdom of the past with the innovation needed for tomorrow. From sustainable farming to ecological research, the school is a living laboratory for resilience and adaptability. Through the fixed lens of the most compact camera in the GFX system, I have captured what I consider it to be the true essence of the Camargue, its landscape, its people, and its evolution. These projects tell a story of contrast and connection, of resilience and renewal, reminding us that finding a balance, even in the face of change, always reveals beauty and strength.